Yeah, I saw the shrimp man with this zoom. The zoom on this camera is dope. I'm trying to, I'm trying to show the vlog cam. The zoom on this bad boy.
Get me some shrimp and then I'm gonna go get me a cold beer.
I can see that girl's birthmark. I can see into her soul. Shrimp man is over there.
How much of the shrimp?
That's how far we are. My camera can't do that.
But look how flat that is. Flat.
Where?
No, that's not the kind of fish.
Yeah, that's the shrimp.
Yeah.
Roll through now with the shrimp now. Yeah. One of them shrimp, man. Red. She's as red like Valentine's.
How much the shrimp?
200,
200? Uh-huh. These hot.
They're not that spicy, but they're a little bit of spice.
Okay, and these are 200?
What's the difference though? Why they call crayfish big?
Yeah, one of them are the tougher shell one.
So it's soft shell one and cheaper.
Yeah.
The soft shell ones are better.
I can do the hard shell. Give me.
You want one of these?
You don't want to try one of these?
Yeah, maybe.
Do that.
Give me one of each.
And see what you like better.
Yeah, give me, and one of those.
TJ, you eat shrimp?
You like shrimp?
Oysters.
Oh.
You like oysters? Nice.
Oh yeah, I like oysters too. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, I love oysters.
Give me 2 extra and 2 big shrimp.
I'm just seafood.
No, them are like 2 big ones?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. You got a tough shell one.
Them are the tough shell one.
I tough shell now?
Yeah.
So which one is that? Which one is
Them are the $300 one.
$300?
Yeah. Soft shell one.
Alright, give me, how much we got?
$400.
Give me one of this and one of that then. So that means I have a Bills more for you?
Now I gotta go get me a cold beer.
Right?
And I have no idea.
Yeah, napkin.
Quite handy.
Matching.
Malachi, go get Grandma a cold beer.
What?
What do you want, Mom?
I just want the
Shiva, you want one too?
Yeah.
I just want the fried fish and pesto.
Alright. We'll come.
Red stripe, please.
This is good. It's not. It's spicy. It's not hot.
Yeah.
You know I want a red stripe. You know I want a red stripe.
Uh-oh. You see what y'all did? He's loving
I
that.
want carrot cake. I'm sure.
So you guys know, like, every time I come to the beach, right, I always get this. Yeah, you know that. So I'm about to do that. Eat the shrimp, try to enjoy it. Motherfucker, not try to enjoy it. I will enjoy it. So yeah, let me sit here and just have that. That's a nice one. Look at that.
Camera.
Oh, Mom.
Gee, that one's big.
That is a crawfish.
That's crawfish.
Definitely crawfish.
I remember I ate crawfish with you one time, Grandma. Remember when we bought a big thing of Whole Foods?
Open your phone.
We went to the remember when we went to the 9th Avenue Food Fair? Something to eat? Tea? You hungry? You want something to eat?
To get them done.
We'll go with Bonnie. Bonnie, take some more money and get Cee something to eat.
Are we ready to order food?
Let's order it together.
Let me wash my hands off.
All right, I'm gonna stop
That we have, Mom?
and wait for my cold beer.
Right?
Is that the super spicy?
It's spicy, but not super
Not
spicy.
super spicy. Wanna try one?
Yeah. I was like, that's what I was trying to do.
It's not super spicy. It's spicy.
Is this for me? Are you handing this to me?
Yeah, you can take it home.
Thank you.
That's
Or was that for
crawfish.
the...
Yeah, sure, but whatever.
That's crawfish. That's not spicy at all.
Oh my god.
It's good.
Oh my god.
You never had crawfish before?
Good, right?
Yum skis.
I remember the first
You gotta
time.
go to New Orleans and get crawfish.
I don't think I had that when I was
Mom,
there.
have you ever had crawfish before?
Yeah.
It's good. I remember the first time I tried it. Oh my god.
They like mini
It was
lobsters.
yeah. It was like when the first time I tried it was when me and Grandma went to Whole Foods and bought like this big Tupperware full of crawfish, and she
They had-
boiled them. And then we just sat at the table and ate crawfish and watched
Now
TV.
pour them on the table on some newspaper.
wasp-
Are you
the wasp-
kidding me?
Mhm.
That's so
And me
cute.
and Malachi ate crawfish and watched something stupid he was watching.
That is so cute.
I wonder how old I was. 6, 7, maybe
About
8.
7 to 8.
Yeah.
I never knew about this story.
I
Well,
told-
she was working. She was at work.
we were having fun.
We did have fun that day. Those crawfish were good.
Yeah.
This one's been sitting in the sun.
It's hot.
Oh, thank you, Steven.
Shrimp, right?
Yeah.
This
I'm
definitely
trying to
could.
hold out.
This definitely couldn't take no more pepper. Oh my god, it's hot.
Give your lips a little burn. No, now I've had hot. Oh my God. When I went to New Orleans, I had these crawfish. Oh, I couldn't eat them. They were in New Orleans, they have this hot sauce. This called Slap Your Mama. She is hot. Hot, hot.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
Because you can't tell it.
But you come from St. Thomas too.
Management you can't do.
Okay.
I'm my place and my first one is a football.
You what?
My first one is a football.
Oh.
Does the pepper make you cough?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think St. Thomas is a school. I don't think. My sports stuff. I don't want to young.
This your play? Your play?
This is what I'm doing.
Finally got my beer. Cheers. Don't know. Cheers.
Ooh. Get the shrimp.
Yeah, the cold beer and the shrimp is real good. I like it. For me, the crawfish, like the shell is definitely a lot tougher. I'm not really a fan of that because I like eating everything. Like the shell. Yeah, seriously. The shell and legs. Yo! Need one more. Yeah, man. I love shrimp, man. I love shrimp. Give me one more bag out now. So, Nina gave me some of her soft shell that was left, so I'm gonna give thanks for that. And I bought another bag of these.
Yes, from Shrimpy.
Let me show you shrimp, man, car. See me?
Yeah, this is it. This is Shrimpy on the beach with his customers and good friends.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You can take it to there, you know, with Princess, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What?
You must not be quiet.
Oh,
Yes, man.
I'm busy eating. I'm paying the camera.
Yeah.
No attention that to me.
Don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. Shrimpy pass through. Yeah, Shrimpy pass through. Straight from the beach, yeah.
Yeah, and I have a cold beer. Yo, it's so
Oh my
good.
God, it's beautiful.
So good when it's cold.
Yes.
And she can hold the rock to hold the rock on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I see the hat though? You have to pull the hat down.
Oh,
There you
oh
go.
yeah.
I agree with that.
You're
Thank
beautiful.
you.
You're welcome.
You look so beautiful. Your skin looks great.
It's a beautiful
You're
man.
aging perfectly, gracefully. It's a blessing. Yes, yes, I see you. Thank you for the picture. Yes, yes. You might be seeing more of these two.
Right?
Do you say I have to send that to you on
And
team?
even in the head, they say that in the head it got a lot of shit. I don't
I
know.
didn't want to get another
it's
bag
true.
because I want a piece of Bonnie's
But-
fish.
Oh,
I
totally.
normally pull like this part out, and then eat
Because
that.
if I
Oh,
eat
it's
another
too cute.
bag, I'm gonna be too full to
Yes.
eat anything else.
What up?
Oh, hey.
No, give me some tea.
3 more of those left.
Why'd you ask like that? You could act nicely then.
This is the one that I like. This one is like fire red.
Whoa.
I don't think the camera is even picking up like how truly red this is. It's like a neon red. It's like they made this in a science lab. I don't even know, man.
The shrimp one.
But this one I like because I can just pop the lower part off and just eat everything, shell and everything. Because it's like a soft shell crab.
Right,
But make you look at my shrimp like you're hungry, so.
Grandma took a sip of thing and she forgot that she had shrimp in her mouth. So it doesn't, a little amount doesn't. She wants to do anything, right, Mom? A little amount wouldn't do anything.
I told him to go get him another
Crazy.
one. I'm sorry.
Taste that everywhere.
We have to go back and get
Yo, you didn't even understand how many on heaven right now.
Sorry.
Then the heaven, cloud 9.
Oh
Why,
yeah.
Grandma?
Yeah, but now you get red stripe.
Simple things in life.
Talk to lighter man.
It's not as good as
She
Stella.
opened it on the table.
It's not as good as Stella. It's not as good as Stella. You heard me, Mom?
Yo. This is my thing, man.
That's my chop. That's your chop, Steven?
Yeah, I live for this. She live for the sun, I live for shrimp.
Oh,
You live for
we're
2K.
quite the duo. Shrimp and salmon
Shrimp for sun. Shrimp for sun.
all day.
Every day.
It's your boy Next Gen.
What's the sweet?
I'll put some water in it. Can I have just a little splash?
Oh boy.
Crime scene. Crime scene. Scene of the crime. So, we're on the footage to try to get some food. We're super hungry. You super hungry?
Yes, bro.
Huh, you are?
Always did. Come on, dude. Always did.
Yeah, so we're going to go pick up some fish and some festivals. I think we maybe have too much money. It's $9,000 for like 5 fish. That's not the price, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, it's 9,000 American dollars.
No, bro. We
That's
wish.
how good these fish are.
We wish. So, what's up? Parrotfish. And good old Jamaican festival.
I'm
Call-
gonna go get some more.
They call it a festival because it's like a party in your mouth.
No, get one.
Me and Daddy had
How is it?
breakfast.
Good morning. Good food, man.
Me and Daddy had breakfast on the beach. We had fish.
Wow.
I was like, and you call me? Don't call me, tell me.
How was it, Mercedes?
Unreal. It's amazing. I was like perfect. Everything here. Like
Good.
the apple.
Mm-hmm.
Just make an apple. The apple. It's everything I've ever wanted in an apple. The oranges. I never eat oranges. I eat all of them. The best oranges ever.
Wow.
It's because I'm home. Eating tasty. So
Mommy say, if you don't eat fish, you ain't no child of
It's so
hers.
good they're all standing up.
really.
Celebration of the fish in the festival. It's so funny.
So you just go for it.
Go
A
fly.
lot of times, like some places have like salmon, like fried cassava patty, and you'll get like pickled onion. That's good with it. Wow, this is delicious. Wow. Wow.
You're never gonna have breakfast like this.
Great on this. Thanks.
Oh, wow.
Give thanks.
It's great too that you can
This
see
is a blessing.
right where it comes from. Wow.
Everyone is just in awe in Jamaican fish. Right.
Mom,
You guys should be here.
So good.
Mom, look,
So
my
good.
tongue.
Look at the tea.
Okay. This is amazing. Wow.
What's up now?
Yeah, what if I just smacked you as soon as you tried to bite the
Oh, man. Nina, what you call that?
Red. Good red.
So funny.
Malca, did you leave that
Yes.
festival?
Don't call it bread.
Hey, Titi man, we send you out on a journey and you come back with bare hands and we hungry.
Hey, go back out.
No.
Oh, man.
I forgot. How long did you say? One of those for you, one of those for you. Okay, perfect.
Even on the festival too?
There's some festival.
So guys, I have like 2 tips whenever being on a Jamaican beach. First tip, if you see someone in the water a little bit too stationary for a little bit too long and the water starts to taste a little bit too salty, bruh, be careful for that. And the second one is, if you see a man and a woman in the water grabbed up together, like all wrapped up and riding the waves a little bit too good,
For you, it's worth it.
give them some space.
More often.
Some people never left out America. Never left out America. Jamaica, some people never left out Jamaica. I never got no plane. I can't tell how a plane look like. Can't tell how a plane look like.
Look like inside I went on a Juta bus there. A Juta bus with wings. It's true though, doesn't it? It looks like a bus. Like a smaller bus, pretty much. A flying bus, the magic school bus.
Those are the slow kids.
But it's true though, like in the US you have like a lot of people who've never even taken a plane. I remember watching like American Idol once and the guy was like, wow, my first time taking a plane. He's like, yeah, my first time. Thank God for American Idol. Crazy.
You like turn around? I know!
Don't be fast.
Yep.
Mercedes. Mercedes, don't be fast.
Yeah, she needs some milk.
She needs some milk.
You guys are terrible.
The football team, no?
That's pretty nice.
Yep.
Oh my god.
There's another one coming.
Oh my god.
Now, how I go with them?
Look at that face.
Are you okay, Grandma? Are you okay? I'm asking.
I'm fine.
Oh wow.
I hope they run back. I hope they need help.
Any injuries they might have.
Oh yo, Steve.
Sore muscles.
Sore muscles. Look at you.
Like that. I'm here to be helpful.
Well, guys, as someone told me once, they said like females tend to be a little bit more perverted than men. The difference is that men will, you know, go out and just say, yo, damn, she got a fat ass. You know, men will tend to say things like that, but women will keep it in. And like every woman I've met and I've asked them, they say, yo, it's true. But women just tend to keep it inside, you know. I guess we're all just a bunch of perverts.
That will not go right. That won't go right.
You're doing so good.
Keep going.
Do you still have football practice?
Huh?
You still do football?
Our team is terrible. We haven't won a game.
Still?
Yes.
Even after that, the postseason?
Yes, we're terrible. Our season ended.
Man, I wish I never have to leave here.
Here's the thing, nobody went to practice.
Well guys, this is where we're pretty much going to be ending our beach trip for today, because now we are going to leave. I'm guessing that it's now about, what time now, Titi man? It's somewhere around 6 o'clock. So we're going to wrap up, go home, and then we have somewhere else to go. Of course, I always going to take you somewhere new. So tonight we'll be doing something else. I'm not too, well, I know what we're gonna do, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Wait,
so, so yo, I always feel weird, but like people are watching, isn't it?
Yeah.
But anyway guys, I'm gonna leave you with 3 things as always: love, nature, and adaptation. And don't forget guys, keep the link.